In the digital age, small and medium businesses are on a constant quest for reliable, transparent, and affordable payment processors that can adapt to their evolving needs. Helcim has emerged as a standout provider in this space, garnering acclaim from businesses and reputable publications alike. In this video, we will be reviewing Helcim, diving deep into the company's offerings, pricing, customer feedback, and how it compares against competitors. And by the way, if you would like to sign up for Helcim, make sure to use my affiliate link down in the description of this video. Clicking on my link doesn't cost you anything extra, and it helps me support the channel. And with that in mind, let's get started. Helcim caters to modern businesses with a variety of services designed for seamless payment processing. Whether your business thrives online, in person, or through mobile, Helcim's provisions of merchant accounts enables businesses to accept credit and debit card payments securely and efficiently. The flexibility offered by Helcim's mobile application for iOS and Android devices allows for payments on the go, perfect for businesses operating outside traditional retail spaces. Furthermore, virtual terminals provide the ability to manage transactions from any device with internet access, catering to phone orders or remote billing scenarios. Payment gateway options support a seamless online shopping experience, with features like hosted payment pages and subscription management, enhancing e-commerce capabilities while facilitating easy integration with existing systems. With commendable ratings of 4.2 on G2, 4.4 on Google, and 4.3 on Trustpilot, Helcim distinguishes itself not just through its service offering, but also through the genuine appreciation from its clientele. A critical aspect of Helcim's appeal is its transparent and competitive pricing model. In contrast to many competitors, Helcim eliminates hidden fees and lock-in contracts, fostering a transparent business relationship. Payment processing fees are based on an interchange plus pricing model, adding a markup over the interchange rate set by card issuers. This model is transparent. In-person transactions are charged at an interchange plus 0.4% and 8 cents, while online or manually keyed transactions incur a rate of interchange plus 0.5% and 25 cents for businesses with up to $50,000 in monthly card transactions. ACH, Automated Clearinghouse, payments are processed at a flat rate of 0.5% plus 25 cents. With volume discounts available, it makes it an attractive option for businesses with high volumes of transactions. For physical transactions, Helcim offers hardware like a mobile card reader at $99 and a comprehensive terminal for $329, ensuring businesses have the reliable equipment needed for smooth transactions. Helcim's straightforward fee structure charges for specific scenarios like returns ACH transactions and chargebacks, with no fees for PCI, payment card industry, compliance, underlining its commitment to affordability and transparency. Choosing Helcim is about embracing a comprehensive service that prioritizes openness and the needs of its customers above all. It stands out because, unlike its competitors who offer fragmented solutions, Helcim delivers a complete array of services. These include merchant accounts for handling customer payments, credit card processing for seamless transactions, and various tools designed to make business operations more efficient. This all-in-one approach not only simplifies how businesses manage payments, but also ensures they have the resources necessary for effective payment processing. However, it's important for smaller businesses, especially those with less frequent transactions, to consider that Helcim's broad services might come at a higher cost than some other options. This difference underscores the need for businesses to carefully assess their own transaction volumes and specific requirements when choosing a payment processor. By doing so, they can determine whether Helcim's comprehensive solutions align with their operational needs and budget constraints. On the other hand, when businesses weigh their options among various payment processors, it's useful to look at how Helcim operates to others like Square and Payment Depot. Square attracts many with its offerings of free software and hardware, providing a cost-effective solution for businesses with a variety of needs. It does this through specialized software solutions that cater to different business types, coupled with straightforward pricing that eliminates guesswork. Square's approach is particularly appealing for businesses looking for simplicity and cost savings without sacrificing functionality. Meanwhile, Payment Depot presents a unique pricing model that could lead to significant savings for businesses with a high volume of transactions. It allows businesses to pay just the interchange rate plus a monthly subscription fee, bypassing the common markups charged by other processors. This model highlights the advantage of selecting a payment processor that aligns closely with a business's specific transaction patterns and financial goals. Such comparisons are essential for businesses striving to find a payment solution that best fits their unique needs and budget. Helcim's dedication to small and medium-sized businesses is evident in every aspect of its operation, not just the products and services it offers. This commitment is built on a clear foundation of being open and honest, providing strong support, and always focusing on delivering real value to businesses. And it is through a platform that covers all their needs. Helcim stands out as a top choice in the payment processing industry because it doesn't just process payments. It helps businesses grow and become more efficient without the worry of unexpected costs. Many businesses are familiar with the frustration of dealing with hidden charges, which can complicate financial planning and operations. Helcim eliminates this concern by ensuring that everything is upfront and transparent. This approach makes Helcim an attractive partner for businesses that are looking for not just a service provider, but a partner that truly understands and supports their journey towards success and growth. So, deciding on a payment processing partner is a significant decision impacting daily operations and customer experience. Helcim's transparent pricing, robust suite of services, and focus on customer success make it a top contender for businesses looking to upgrade their payment processing capabilities. However, it's crucial to weigh Helcim's offerings against your business's specific needs, transaction volumes, and operational complexities. In choosing Helcim, businesses not only secure a reliable and efficient payment processing solution, but also embrace a partnership founded on transparency and mutual success. With its comprehensive services, clear pricing, and dedication to supporting SMBs, Helcim is poised to revolutionize how businesses handle transactions. Whether stepping into the digital commerce arena for the first time or looking to optimize existing operations, Helcim offers a pathway to streamline, hassle-free payment processing. And don't forget that if you would like to sign up for Helcim, you can use my affiliate link down in the description of this video. Clicking on my link doesn't cost you anything extra, and it helps me support the channel. I hope this video was helpful. Thank you so much for watching. Till next time.